What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Dunlow. Today I'm filming my first DIY music video. What I'm going to be doing is filming in TikTok, and then TikTok is going to be where the final ends up. But I need to do some editing on the computer because TikTok, if you're familiar with it at all, they let you use what's called a sound. And I said that word like I was confused about the meaning of the word sound. You can use a sound, which is a short part of the song, but I want to make a short video about a verse of my song that's not the sound that's available for use on TikTok. Because I'm going to try to do something where I make like short content that's like pieces of songs or really short songs. I just think that's an interesting way to do things these days in the short video era. I will have one traditional music video coming out later, but I think it'll end up being pretty cool. And then this video, once I make it, will be able to be used as a sound by anyone. It's all about the Karate Kid movie. So I'm going to use TikTok's green screen, and I've created a video that is illustrations from the Karate Kid. I think it will be fun. It's my first time trying to do this. And so let's hit the set of the video now. All right, I'm on set with a green screen. By green screen, I mean this. White door in my garage. That's what I mean by on set. I'm already sweaty. Around Halloween time, I'll have a full video coming out, but let's see how this one goes today. This should be fun. I probably did take a lesson from caused a crash in the roadway. Didn't even ask if they were okay. People think Daniel's a young. Then he caused a crash in the roadway. Didn't even ask if they were okay. Oh, phone alert messed me up. It's the life of a TikToker. I was doing some weird stuff with my hands too. All right, timer. Don't start a fight like Daniel's son. I think that's pretty good. I don't know if I like the angle. I can do better. I can do a little better. I might should have saved that one. I don't know, dude. Maybe it needs to be like here. Dress up every year. I should have saved the other one. The other one was good. The other one's good. Let me put it back there. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress, or something. Isn't that quote? He probably. Like, why are you so sweaty in your video? Because TikTok's hard. Maybe it's better if I'm up here, though. I got this giant toy on the floor. Dad, like, what about putting the car higher? This is it. It's a heavy box. This might not be it. This is it. Let's go. Dress up every year, I probably did. Take a lesson from Karate Kid. He's gone. Don't start a fight like Daniel's son. That's gold. It's gotta be gold, I hope. All right, so now, last step in the process. Thankfully, with the fan on, I gotta edit the video. So a lot of times you would do a green screen on TikTok and you would just be like good because you would talk over a video or pictures. But for what I'm trying to do, I want the good quality audio from the song on it. But TikTok has one of the best green screens if you actually don't have a green screen that I found, at least in a free program. You can use like Zoom through the computer and stuff too, or Skype actually can do it if you do a couple extra steps. But so I've got what would have been an okay TikTok loaded in here, but I want to mute that audio and pump in the original audio of the song and just snip it all up. But then after that, it should be good to go. This was fun, but TikTok's hard, y'all. So yeah. Perhaps, oh, there's my Taco Bell. Perhaps y'all enjoyed watching this. I don't know. I think it's cool. Sometimes I see videos online and wonder how the person made it. And super glamorous in here, obviously. So, I discovered a little bonus content while editing. If anybody ever does this yourself, or if you're watching from the angle of like how to edit and go back and forth between TikTok and computer editing, everything lined up pretty nicely. Like my vocals and all that. But when I got to the very end, my source video that I put in to do the green screen on was exactly the length I wanted the final to be. And look what happens at the very end. So where I say Daniel-son, my mouth stops moving. See how like I don't finish the word son? I'm not changing it, y'all. I think I did pretty well for my first one, but what I should have done when I was doing the green screen, instead of uploading a 37-second, was put one in that was a little longer and then clipped it back down. So yeah, just a little bonus content I figured out. Thanks for watching this, y'all, and thank you for all the support of the song so far. Search Mr. Dunlow everywhere to listen to fun stuff. All right, thanks.